Hey guys, welcome back. And one day before my sign on, and you can see packing is going on. Messed up. So I'm using my mic. I don't know why the mouse is here. Taking my tripod. Okay, so these are firstly, um, these are the boiler suits I've got from the company. Couple of boiler suits, and got my uniform also ready. So, ouch. Okay, 42 number, white shirt. So यूनिफॉर्म ला दिया मैंने. ये थोड़े मेडिसिन है. पावर बैंक handy. Winter jacket. So I'm going to Busan या Seoul. So वहाँ पे it is minus something something. So काफी ठंडा होने वाला है. सर्दी ऑलरेडी हो गई है. ठीक है. So for that I've got this jacket. This is one good nice and thick jacket. You can see this is also the company gift. So good jacket. I'll be wearing this. I won't ये पहन के नहीं जाऊंगा मैं. पहनने के लिए मेरे पास ये जैकेट है. I like this. And I don't want that. So ये एक हैंडबैग है. इसमें I will keep all my, I think all my filming gear I will keep in this handbag. Filming gear, passport, CDC सब कुछ इसमें डाल दूंगा. जितने भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स चाहिए ना मुझे ट्रैवल के लिए वो सब मैं इसमें डाल दूंगा. ठीक है. सो हार्ड ड्राइव हो गया. ये छोटा सा पाउच है, बहुत काम आएगा. इसमें इसमें कुछ ऐसे अटैचमेंट्स है अपने एक्शन कैम के लिए, गोप्रो के लिए. So इस पे mostly I will keep filming on this only till I get a good camera. Until then I'll keep filming on that. And yeah, so uniform ये bag में if you go to see, what I've taken is some basics, sabun, ये move, shampoo, shoe polish, good thick socks. So ये वाला देखो. So this is from Decathlon. And since it's going to be cold over there, so I've bought these socks. And also one special thing I've got. I don't know if it's out or I had left something out. So this is something you guys got to see. I've never tested this before. So this is warmer Shawfits. So this thing is like you get a packet and then you keep it inside your pocket or you keep it in your socks or inside your gloves, and it will keep you warm. It will keep you warm for 6 hours. So since that, ouch. Oh, yeah. So yeah, it's like this. So ये यही पैकेट है. ऐसे ही है. ये खोल के इसके अंदर एक छोटा सा पाउच है. If you can see, I won't be opening it now because see, once you open it, you get like 10 minutes and then it starts warming up. So you don't expose it to the air. And I will take this with me and keep it in my jacket. So once I get down over there, I will be using this. And I don't know, this will be maybe the second or third time I'll be mentioning this in my video. But in case you have skipped it, this is a new vessel. It's going to get delivered on the 2nd or 3rd of Feb. So new vessel hai. Yard mein I will go. I will go in the yard and we'll be working on over there till the vessel is commissioned. And ये ship जो size है वो 360 meters कुछ तो है. So big ship, 360 meters, and new ship. And so we'll be having a ceremony for that. एक ceremony होगी जिसमें कैप पहनना है, सूट पहनना है. सूट मैंने मंगाया. सूट का टेंशन ये हुआ है, I've got the tension of that कि the suit is not yet come. कल शाम की फ्लाइट है, 6-7 बजे की फ्लाइट है. So it's a 7 o'clock flight in the evening and my suit is not yet come. So cheers to that. Hopefully कल सुबह तक सूट आ जाए. इन द मीन वाइल अभी मैं लग जाऊंगा थोड़े कुछ पैकिंग के लिए. थोड़ा कुछ सामान भरना है मुझे, ये सब सॉर्ट करना है ये बैग में. द उसके बाद when the suit comes I will show you guys the suit. The suit looks cool, super cool. I like that. It is something different. It has like these golden bands on it and all. So you guys will get to see the suit. And pcap, pant हो गए. हाँ, by the way, check this out. Okay, so Crocs, normal wear. These are good. So these are my working shoes on the ship. So, how good is this? Good working shoes for the ship. And this is also something you will get from the company. So good working shoes, good working outfits, and I expect to have a good time. I mean, I like sailing, so good time on ship. And for now, I'll just get into packing because I have few hours to go. I need to get sleep, and the flight, like I told you, it's from here to Delhi, and from Delhi to Seoul. So after that, ka schedule I do not know. As soon as I get to know, I'll keep you guys updated, keep you guys posted, and I'll keep making many videos on this. So please stay tuned, and I'll meet you again when the suit comes. Bye bye.